Today's lesson is lesson 46, reading a thermometer to the nearest degree Fahrenheit, identifying the freezing and boiling points of water and normal body temperature on the Fahrenheit scale, and estimating a reasonable temperature. Okay, so sometimes when we read a temperature on the scale, the temperature may be somewhere in between numbers. Take, for example, this thermometer. My thermometer goes up to a point that's halfway in between the two marks. Well, I know that these numbers, we have 30 to 40. So the numbers go 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, and 40. So because my temperature is in between 34 and 60, then it has to be 35 degrees Fahrenheit, because 35 is in between 34 and 36. All right, what about this one? So I have 50 and 60, and again, my temperature is in between two of the lines. So this one would be 52, this one would be 54. So halfway in between 52 and 54 is 53 degrees. Right, what about this one? We have 70 and 80 degrees. So we go 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, and 80. And my mark is in between the 78 and the 80. So the number that's halfway between 78 and 80 is 79 degrees. Now, there are some important temperatures that we need to know. The first one is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. 32 degrees Fahrenheit is when water freezes. Okay. When water freezes, it changes from a liquid into a solid like ice cubes in the freezer. Now, water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. When water boils, it changes from a liquid into a gas. That's the steam you see above a pan of boiling water. Okay, and specifically when water freezes and water boils. Okay, so on this thermometer over here, could I show the temperature where water boils or freezes? No, I couldn't, because it doesn't go high enough and it doesn't go low enough. Okay, so you have to have a thermometer that goes up high enough to see that. Okay, now just as there is a temperature for which water freezes and a temperature which water boils, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit is normal body temperature. So the temperature your body is most of the time should be around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, 98.6 is closest to 100 degrees Fahrenheit if I was to round it. Okay. Someone with a very high fever might have a temperature of 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. All right. The other types of temperatures is room temperature is around 70 degrees Fahrenheit to be comfortable. And if you take a bath, a hot bath water is about 105 degrees Fahrenheit. And you don't want to get too much hotter than that, because you could end up burning yourself on accident. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.